very good afternoon to one and all. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome all of you to the virtual Merit Day function 2020 of St. Anne's School, Ayur. A Merit Day celebration has been envisaged keeping in mind the particular time we as a world are going through, wherein coming together and being together is forbidden and social distancing is highly recommended. However, these trying times cannot and should not keep us from acknowledging the hard work, dedication, and commitment put in by our students who have brought honors to the alma mater by their achievements in All India Secondary School Examination 2019-20. As we begin the function, I would request the host to mute all the participants so that the speaker's voice alone is heard. Ajil sir, kindly mute all the participants.
Okay, ma'am, mute on.
Dear toppers of AISSE 2019-20, this day gives the returns of your efforts and endeavors in academics. And we are happy to be connected with Reverend Dr. Sister Teresa Cherian, Provincial Superior, Sisters of St. Anne, Southern India, who has kindly consented to be the chief guest of the Merit Day. We also have our esteemed manager, Sister Annamma Mathai, respected principal, Sister Anita Joseph, beloved teachers, dear parents, and bright students who have scored top marks in the AISSE 2020. The Bible says, if the Lord does not build the house, in vain do the builders labor. Our dreams become realities when the work of human hands are blessed by the Almighty. Let us acknowledge God's hand in our success stories and implore Him to bless our virtual gathering this afternoon as we watched the prayer dance.
Tirunatha Sharanam Sharanam Mama Guruve Kripani Taranam Adiyangal Nin Thirumunbil Oru Manamode Tirunatha Sharanam Sharanam Mama Guruve Kripani Taranam Adiyangal Nin Thirumunbil Oru Manamode Nalla Devame Nanniyode Njan Thirusannidhi Kaithodunnida Nalla Devame Nanniyode Njan Thirusannidhi Kaithodunnida.
Thank you, friends, for your graceful moves and for imploring God's blessings on our gathering. Today, it is our honor to have each of you with us to share the joy and pride of our students and their success. And now, I invite our manager, Reverend Sister Annamma Mathai, to accord the warm words of welcome to the invitees.
A pleasant afternoon to our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Sister Teresa Cherian, respected Principal Sister Anita Joseph, to our band of dedicated teachers, beloved parents, and my dearest students. It is my absolute honor to extend a warm word of welcome to each one of you when this temple of learning celebrates Merit Day 2020 to mark the achievements of our students in the All India Secondary School Examination. It goes without saying that St. Anne's School Ayur has always believed in bringing out the best in each student and has opted for the method of encouragement as a means to motivate the students to better performance. Therefore, even at this time, when the pandemic COVID-19 has set the limits to many of our projects, the school has organized this virtual event to reward the students who have excelled due to their passion, patience, and perseverance all throughout their academic endeavors. On this happy occasion, first I would like to welcome our Chief Guest, Dr. Sister Teresa Cherian, Provincial Superior, Congregation of Sisters of St. Anne, Province of Divine Providence, South India. We are immensely blessed to have you with us, Sister. Your leadership as an able administrator and your labors of love to motivate each of us in our task of educating the young minds emanate a great sense of admiration and appreciation towards your person. Your presence amidst us this afternoon is also a great source of inspiration for our school, and we extend a hearty welcome to you as we eagerly wait to listen to your words of wisdom. Next, I would like to address words of cordial welcome to our principal, Sister Anita Joseph, who nurtures this temple of learning with her thoughts and actions on a day-to-day basis. Dear sister, you are a person who leads the team of teachers for the good of every student who crosses the portal of St. Anne's. A very warm welcome to you, dear sister. The dream of success is born in the young minds with a teacher who believes in them. Yes, dear teachers, you are the mentors, molders, sculptors, and architects whose consistent diligence, sincerity, devotion, and zealous perseverance are reflected through the success of our students. We hail and honor your noble struggle and sacrifices, and I welcome each of you to enjoy the harvest of your own labor as your students are being honored. Education is a shared commitment between dedicated teachers, motivated students, and enthusiastic parents with high expectations. We feel deeply cherished to offer a pleasant welcome to each one of you, dear parents, as you are the beam of support for all the efforts taken by the school for the benefit of your children. And today we celebrate the fruits of your dedication. Hearty welcome, dear parents. Behind every success story, there are great people who do common works uncommonly well. So it's my pleasure to acknowledge our auxiliary staff who have taken great pains to provide a hospitable environment to our students during their stay in the campus. Hearty welcome to our administrative and non-teaching staff. Success to those who act. Dear toppers of AISSE 2019-20, it is an act of sacrificing many pleasures and taking many pains willingly that we celebrate during this Merit Day function. God has blessed your work and you can rightly rejoice as St. Anne's School and your dear parents take pride in your achievements. I extend a rapturous welcome to each of you to the Merit Day 2019-20. Once again, a warm welcome to one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, sister, for your cordial words of welcome. And now it is my privilege to extend a hearty welcome to you, our manager, who is always a person who supports entire and wholehearted sustenance to all our endeavors. Therefore, on behalf of St. Anne's family, I extend a warm welcome to you, sister. Our principal, Sister Anita Joseph, has led this flagship of knowledge for the past year with meticulous planning and sense of purpose. She has also conceived the entire idea of celebrating the success of our students through this function. As she presides over this Merit Day celebration, I invite her to address the viewers.
A very good afternoon to our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Sister Teresa Cherian, respected Manager, Sister Annamma Mathai, Vice Principal, Sister Juby Joseph, committee members, staff, parents, and dear students. This is an occasion of joy for all of us as we have come together for celebrating this auspicious day. This is a day special for our students and teachers as their efforts are recognized. Destiny of hard work is always success. St. Anne's have always supported the students to achieve their dream and goals. We at St. Anne's offer our students the best possible opportunities to become confident, thoughtful young people who are prepared for any future challenges in an exciting and increasingly global world. As I mentioned in the outset, today is an extraordinary for St. Anne's family. I feel really honored in sharing with you the remarkable achievements of our students. Total 91 students appeared for All India Secondary School Examination of 2019-20. 7 students scored full A1 in all subjects. 6 students scored 4 A1 and 49 students passed with distinction. 20 students scored above 90% and 22 students bagged first class. Dear students, on this occasion, remember the huge contribution of your teachers from KG to class 10. Remember with gratitude the teachers who played a pivotal role in your life as mentors over the years. You have attained this impressive milestone in your life under their guidance. Every challenging time has new opportunities. You entered the portals of St. Anne's several years ago. Now you leave the boundary of this protected environment. Whatever you have learned from this institution will enable you to stand in good stead in every situation. It will guide and make your life successful and happy. So look ahead. You may not like a lot of what you see. You would see things in a mess all over, in education, in politics, and in civil life too. It is not your doing, but you are going to be called upon to help to clean it up. When you struggle, it is the struggle itself that will make you nobler and your life more meaningful. You are entering into a world of limitless possibilities. And dear students, remember, it is the age of WhatsApp and networking. As you grow up, be careful on whom you trust, especially in modern virtual world. Maybe digital is the way forward and this is what the new normal life will be. During your life in this school campus, we believe we have given you the necessary tools, academic, moral and spiritual for this very challenging world. We will watch and pray that you use these tools effectively in your life ahead. May God bless each one of you abundantly. Stay connected and wish you all very best in your life. Thank you.
Now, we have one of our students, Ms. Tara Shyam, who will be delighting us with a poem recitation.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I am standing here to recite the poem, Curfew Must Not Ring Tonight. It's a narrative poem written in 1867 when Rose Harquito was 16. Curfew must not ring tonight. Slowly, inclined sun was setting over the hilltops far away, filling all the land with beauty at the close of a sad day, and the last rays kissed the forehead of the man and maiden fair. He so slow and weary, she with sunny floody hair, he with bowed head, sad and thoughtful, she with lips so cold and white, struggling to keep back her murmur, curfew must not ring tonight. Sexton, Bissy's lips faltered, pointing to the old prison with its walls tall and gloomy, moss grown, dark, damp, and cold. I have a lover in that prison, doomed this very night to die at the ringing of the curfew, and no earthly help is nigh. Cromwell will not come to the sunset, and her lips grew strangely white. As she spoke in her husky whispers, curfew must not ring tonight. Busy, calmly spoke the sexton. Long, long years I have rang the curfew at that gloomy shadow tower. At every evening, just at sunset, it has tolled the twilight hour. Now I am old, I will not miss it. The curfew bell must ring tonight. Thank you.
Thank you, dear Tara, for your performance. Dr. Sister Teresa Cherian, an epitome of efficiency behind a simple and graceful appearance, is the chief guest of today's function. Her presence adds glory to this beautiful event. As the Provincial Superior of Southern Province of the Congregation of the Sisters of St. Anne in India, it is she who spearheads our school. Though from a distance, it is her constant guidance and encouragement that keeps beckoning the management and staff to think tirelessly for the all-round growth of our students and the development of this esteemed institution. It is our privilege to have her with us to cheer the students who have brought laurels to the school. Now I invite you, dear Sister Teresa Cherian, for the inaugural speech.
Thank you, Sister Juby. ഈ മീറ്റിംഗിന്റെ പാർട്ടിസിപ്പൻസ് എല്ലാവരെയും ആദരവോടെ വെൽക്കം ചെയ്ത സിസ്റ്റർ അന്നമ്മ ദ മാനേജർ, വളരെ അഭിമാനത്തോടെ ഈ വെർച്വൽ മീറ്റിംഗ് മെറ്റീരിയലൈസ് ചെയ്ത പ്രിൻസിപ്പൽ സിസ്റ്റർ അനിത ജോസഫ്, ആനന്ദത്തോടെ ഇവർ സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്ത സിസ്റ്റർ ജൂബി ദ വൈസ് പ്രിൻസിപ്പൽ, സിസ്റ്റർ ഷിബി ദ ഓഫീസ് സൂപ്രണ്ടന്റ്, dear parents of our beloved students, teachers, especially those who are handling the 10th class students, and my very loving young friends, well-wishers, a very good afternoon to each one of you. നാം എല്ലാവരും ഇപ്പോൾ വളരെ സന്തോഷമായ ഒരു തരുണത്തെ ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുകയാണ്. This batch of students, 2020, everywhere, they are known as the COVID batch. I think you know. One way you are privileged because, as I know, this type of this function, merit awarding function, usually will be arranged in a very gorgeous big stage with elaborate decorations and large gathering attending it. But this time you are privileged to attend a unique experience through this Zoom meeting. And I, sitting here in Chennai, I am able to participate because of this. And that way I'm also happy. First of all, I wish to express my heartiest congratulations to the toppers, school toppers of this CBSE examination 2020. I also wish to extend my sincere congratulations and applause to the management, Sister Annamma, the manager, and Sister Anita, the principal, who left no stone unturned to achieve this. And every sister, the staff, and everybody, I extend a hearty congratulations and applause at this moment. I have with me the toppers' names. I requested the principal, Sister Anita, and she has given me. I am sure the students are somewhere observing, or you are watching this event. So the school topper, Gayatri AS, with 97.4%. On behalf of the province, I congratulate Gayatri. I'm sure somewhere she must be attending the program. And along with her, the other 6 of them who acquired full A1, that is Phoeba Thomas, Gayatri R, Parvati H, Alka Susan Samuel, Sumit SB, Jeffrey Johnson. Hearty congratulations. Besides, other 6 students who secured 4 A1, AS Adityan, Agnes Biju, Harinathan RS, Ashwin M. Kumar, Devi Sri Lakshmi, Shanu K. Saji. So these 13 students, along with the others who secured 49 students who secured distinction and 22 students who came out first class, all the actual, and for the 100% result, to each and every one, to the students, and very especially the staff members who really toiled hard along with the students to achieve this laurel for the institution. My sincere congratulations on behalf of the province, because this is a great history and it is an achievement for the provinces. What is that I consider? I also I wish to name the teachers. Really, they deserve an applause, and also hats off to the 10th class teachers, Mr. Arun MR, Sister Juby Joseph, Mr. Abhilash Mahadevan, Mrs. Shanti SR, Mrs. Archana Ashok, Mrs. Bijita BK, Mrs. Sridevi OS, Mrs. Aruna CP. With great appreciation from a sincere heart, I thank you and congratulate you, along with the manager, Sister Annamma, and the principal, Sister Anita. For her, this is a maiden achievement. So first time serving as the principal of the college, Sister Anita, wholeheartedly she worked with single-minded devotion, and God has blessed you, Sister Anita, and the institution. And it is a great blessing for all of us, for the institution, for the parents, and for the students, definitely. Congratulations to you and all the sisters, the staff. And also, I am told that the school, St. Anne's CBSE school, Ayur, has come out in Kollam Trivandrum region, securing the standing at the 3rd place in CBSE 10th board examination. My hats off to you and congratulations. My dear students, at this exciting moment, I just wish to say 2 points to you as you are excited to receive your merit certificate. The first point I wish to bring home to your mind is that every success in our life is to be received with a grateful heart. Vijayam enna സമ്മാനം നമ്മൾ കൃതജ്ഞത നിറഞ്ഞ ഹൃദയത്തോടെ സ്വീകരിക്കുക. കാരണം വിജയം ഏത് വിജയമായിരുന്നാലും ഒരാൾ മാത്രം ശ്രമിച്ചാൽ അത് നടക്കുകയില്ല. നമ്മൾക്കെല്ലാവർക്കും അറിയാം, ഓരോ കുട്ടിയുടെയും മാതാപിതാക്കൾ എത്രയേറെ നിങ്ങളെ പ്രോത്സാഹിപ്പിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. എത്രയോ പ്രാർത്ഥനയും ത്യാഗങ്ങളും സഹിച്ച് കഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട് അവർ നിങ്ങളെ ഫോളോ ചെയ്ത്, and today you all of us are rejoicing at this moment, celebrating your victory. And അതുപോലെ തന്നെ the management sisters, already I said, and the teachers, നിങ്ങളുടെ വിജയത്തിനായി രാവും പകലും പലതരത്തിലുള്ള സഹനങ്ങളും ത്യാഗങ്ങളും നേരിട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. അവരെയെല്ലാം ഓർക്കുകയും അവർക്ക് വേണ്ടി ദൈവത്തോട് നന്ദി പറയുകയും ചെയ്യാം. കുട്ടികൾ, നിങ്ങൾ പ്രായപൂർത്തിയാകും ആയി വലിയ സ്ഥിതിയിലെത്തുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങളും മറ്റുള്ളവരുടെ ജീവിത വിജയത്തിൽ പങ്കാളികളാകുവാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുക. രണ്ടാമതായിട്ട് പറയാനുള്ളത്, the merit is not the end in itself. This merit that you are receiving is to be carried on. And how we can carry on this achievement is tying it to the good values that you have achieved, acquired during your 10-year life in the school. You have acquired many values. In fact, every student, they acquire a scale of values during their school days. And these values ആണ് നമ്മുടെ ജീവിതത്തിന് അർത്ഥം നൽകുന്നത്. നമ്മുടെ ജീവിതത്തിൽ ശാശ്വതമായി നിൽക്കുന്ന മൂല്യങ്ങൾ ഈ വാല്യൂസ് മാത്രമാണ്. ശാശ്വതമായിട്ടുള്ള വാല്യൂസ് ലൈക്ക് പങ്ക്ച്വാലിറ്റി, honesty, generosity, sensitivity to the needs of others, tolerance, patience, respect for the elderly. Angane very big list is there. These values will take you all the way to further success, because this is just one step in your life, the success story. And as you go all through life, definitely the road is not going to be very easy, very smooth. You will have to face challenges. You will have to overcome hurdles on your way. And at that time, that which will give you strength, courage, and that will lead you on are the good values. Always remember. One of the very famous writer, Mark Twain, he said, ജീവിതത്തിൽ ഏറ്റവും പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട 2 ദിവസങ്ങൾ. One is the day you were born. And the second, the day you find out why you were born. Every person born in this world has a special purpose, and that is what God has planned, a special purpose. And achieving that purpose, our ലക്ഷ്യം സാധ്യമാവുന്നതാണ് നമ്മുടെ ആക്ച്വൽ വിജയം. നമ്മളുടെ വിജയത്തെ സാക്ഷാത്കരിക്കുന്നത് നമ്മളുടെ ലക്ഷ്യം അച്ചീവ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴാണ്. So now today I pray that may God help you, each of you, to achieve your aim in life. Starting from now in your life, God's grace will follow you and support you. And ഒരു ചെറിയ സംഭവം ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളോട് ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുവാൻ പോകുന്നു. That is the life story of two brothers. That is how the values in life can support us as we go on our way. It is for that. Two brothers, the elder one became an alcoholic and he became very unruly. He could not concentrate on his studies, left the studies halfway, and he wouldn't listen to anybody, and he could not achieve anything in life. He was on the road. Nobody could have any influence in his life. The second brother, younger brother, he was very responsible, opposite of the elder one. He worked hard, achieved many laurels in his life, completed his studies, took up a job, and because of his good values, the scale of values like honesty and punctuality and various other values that he imbibed, he was promoted as the CEO of a company. So the two brothers of the same family, there was so much of disparity between them, and the media was interested. The media went to interview the first one. So the first brother, who was an alcoholic, he said, I am like this is because of my father. My father was an alcoholic. He destroyed everything. He did not care for his children. He made all of us unhappy and destroyed the family. He made my mother suffer a lot. So how do you expect me to be good? So because of my father, I am like this. The media went to the second son, who was the CEO now in the company, and interviewed. The second son said, I am like this today is because of my father. Because I saw my father took to alcoholism and he did not look after my mother and the family. All of us suffered a lot and we had nothing left when my father died. He taught me a lesson and I decided that I will never become like my father, but I will bring in my life, I will spend my life to bring happiness for others. So, dear friends, the two brothers brought up in the same environment, in the same family, what made the difference? Their attitude to life. The first son, he saw only the negative aspect of life and he ended up in being a useless person. The second son, he saw the positive side. Even from a very difficult situation, he could find some positive aspect. He held on to the positive and then he achieved his mission in life. He achieved his goal in life. Therefore, my dear students, as once again, I congratulate each of you. I thank you for bringing laurels to our institution, and I pray that you hold on to the good value system that you have imbibed in the school, and you will be able to see a silver lining in every cloud and always look at the positive side of life and carry on. May God bless you. I thank Sister Anita and the sisters for giving me this opportunity. I enjoy this program. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you, dear sister, for your words of appreciation, acknowledgement, and motivation to the staff, management, and the students. Now we have reached at the much awaited moment, as it is time to confer the e-certificates to the toppers. I now call upon our chief guest, Honorable Dr. Sister Teresa Cherian, to officially declare the release of the e-certificates.
I hereby officially declare the distribution of e-certificates to the toppers of the All India Secondary School Examination 2019-20.
We have Gayatri AS, school topper with full A1. Feba Thomas with full A1. Gayatri R with full A1. Parvati Harikumar with full A1. Alka Susan Samuel with full A1. Sumit Samboji Bosle with full A1. Jeffrey Johnson with full A1. HS Adityan with 4 A1. Agnes Biju with 4 A1. Harimandan with 4 A1. Ashwin M. Kumar with full A1. Devi Srilashmi with full A1. Shanu K. Saji with 4 A1. Anashira Shaji, subject paper in English. Agnes Biju, subject paper in Malayalam. Alka Susan Samuel, subject paper in Malayalam. Gayatri AS, subject paper in Malayalam. Gayatri R, subject paper in Malayalam. Nandana AB, subject paper in Malayalam. Parvati Harikumar, subject paper in Malayalam. Dana A. Sajan, subject paper in Hindi. Sumit Samboji Bosle, subject paper in Hindi. HS Adityan, subject paper in Maths. Gayatri AS, subject paper in Maths. Gayatri R, subject paper in Maths. Parvati Harikumar, subject paper in Maths. Sumit Samboji Bosle, subject paper in Science. Feba Thomas, subject paper in SS. Anashira Shaji scored above 90%. Ayana Shashi scored above 90%. Dana A. Sajan scored above 90%. Nandana D scored above 90%. Nandana AB scored above 90%. Abhirami Anil scored above 90%. And Shruti AS scored above 90%. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Abhilash, for calling out the toppers. And congratulations, dear toppers. May your journey of success continue to reach new heights with God's grace. Now, we have one of our students of outgoing batch 2019-20, Master Ruben Jose, to cheer us with a solo song.
പറയാതെ അറിയാതെ നീ പോയതല്ലേ മറുവാക്കു മിണ്ടാനതന്തേ ഒരു നോക്കു കാണാതെ നീ പോയതല്ലേ ദൂരേക്ക് മാഞ്ഞതന്തേ സഖിയേ നീ കാണുന്നുവോ എൻ വിരഹം നിറയും രാവുകൾ ഇന്നും ഓർക്കുന്നുവോ വീണ്ടും ഓർക്കുന്നുവോ അന്നു നാം തമ്മടിൽ പിരിയും രാവ് ഇന്നും ഓർക്കുന്നു ഞാൻ അന്നു നാം തമ്മടിൽ പിരിയും രാവ് പറയാതെ അറിയാതെ നീ പോയതല്ലേ മറുവാക്കു മിണ്ടാഞ്ഞതല്ലേ ഒരു നോക്കു കാണാതെ നീ പോയതല്ലേ ദൂരേക്കു നീ മാഞ്ഞതല്ലേ പ്രിയനെ നീ അറിയുന്നുവോ എൻ മിഴികൾ നിറയും നൊമ്പരം ഇന്നും ഓർക്കുന്നുവോ വീണ്ടും ഓർക്കുന്നുവോ അന്നു നാം തമ്മടിൽ പിരിയും രാവ് ഇന്നും ഓർക്കുന്നു ഞാൻ അന്നു നാം തമ്മടിൽ പിരിയും രാവ് കണ്ടു തമ്മിൽ ഒന്നു കണ്ടു തീരാമോഹങ്ങൾ തേടി നാം മെല്ലെ സ്വപ്നം പൂവണിഞ്ഞു മായാവർണ്ണങ്ങൾ ചൂടി നാം ആവർണ്ണരാവതിൽ വാർമഴവില്ലുപോൽ മായ്ന്നുവോ സഖി ഇന്നും ഓർക്കുന്നുവോ വീണ്ടും ഓർക്കുന്നുവോ അന്നു നാം തമ്മടിൽ പിരിയും രാവ് എന്നും ഓർക്കുന്നു ഞാൻ അന്നു നാം തമ്മടിൽ പിരിയും രാവ് പറയാതെ അറിയാതെ നീ പോയതല്ലേ മറുവാക്കു മിണ്ടാഞ്ഞതല്ലേ ഒരു നോക്കു കാണാതെ നീ പോയതല്ലേ ദൂരേക്കു നീ മാഞ്ഞതല്ലേ.
Thank you, dear Ruben, for your melodious song. Dear friends, adversities have been great teachers of humanity. Unprecedented adversity, COVID-19, too has many lessons to teach us for life. One of our toppers, Ms. Devi Sri Lakshmi, brings home to each of us important message inherent in COVID-19 with this beautiful theme dance.
അകലണം നാം വീണ്ടും അടുക്കുവാൻ വേണ്ടി മനുഷ്യരിൽ നിന്നും മനുഷ്യരിലേക്ക് പ്രയാണം നടത്തുമീ വൈറസിൽ നിന്ന് മുക്തി നേടാം നമുക്കൊന്നായി നിൽക്കാം മുക്തി നേടാം നമുക്കൊന്നായി നിൽക്കാം. കെട്ടിപ്പിടിക്കലും ഹസ്തദാനങ്ങളും വേണമോ കൂപ്പുകൈ പോരെ നമുക്കിനി. ഇഷ്ടം പലവിധം കാട്ടും ജനത്തിന്റെ കഷ്ടം അതോ സ്വന്തം ജീവനെന്നോർക്കുക. ശിഷ്ടം ദിനങ്ങൾ ഒളിച്ചൊന്നു പാർത്താൽ നഷ്ടം വരാതെ നമുക്കിഷ്ടം നടത്താം. നഷ്ടം വരാതെ നമുക്കിഷ്ടം നടത്താം. പൊരുതി നേടി നമ്മളെത്ര ശാസ്ത്ര സത്യവിദ്യകൾ. കരുതലാണിവിടെ വിജയമതോർക്കനാമിതെപ്പോഴും. അദൃശ്യനാണു ശത്രുവെങ്കിൽ പാത്തു നിഗ്രഹിച്ചിടാ. ശക്തിയല്ല ബുദ്ധിയാണതി ജീവനത്തിനുത്തമം. പിഴച്ചിടാതെ ചുവടുവെച്ച് ഉറച്ചു നിന്നു പൊരുതിടാ. സ്വതന്ത്ര ഭാരതത്തിനേറ്റ പ്രഹരമാടി കോവിഡ്. അകന്നു നിന്നു ചെറുത്തിടാ മൃത്യുവിൻ കരങ്ങളെ. കരുതൽ കൊണ്ടു വീണ്ടെടുക്കാം ആരോഗ്യമുള്ളോരിന്റെ. കരുതൽ കൊണ്ടു വീണ്ടെടുക്കാം ആരോഗ്യമുള്ളോരിന്റെ.
Well done, dear Devi Sri Lakshmi. We are proud of you. Gratitude is the melody of heart and hallmark of noble souls. St. Anne's family is immensely grateful to our chief guest, Dr. Sister Teresa Cherian, as well as to the management, parents, teachers, and students for their presence with us. As we come to the conclusion of our Merit Day celebration, I invite Mr. Anu Peter, Academic Coordinator, St. Anne's School, Ayur, to propose the vote of thanks.
Dear sister, my gracious evening to the most valued guests, management staff, worthy teachers, and my most beloved children, as well as one and all gathered over here in this online event. It's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. I, on behalf of St. Anne's School, Ayur, and the entire fraternity of the institution, first of all, extend my most sincere gratitude, thanks to Almighty. On my own behalf, I extend a very hearty vote of thanks to the chief guest, Dr. Sister Teresa Cherian, Provincial Superior Sisters of St. Anne, who spared time from her busy schedule to grace this occasion. Thank you, sister. I would like to convey my cordial thanks to Sister Anna Mamatai for gracing all with her welcome speech. Thank you, sister, too. I must mention my deepest sense of appreciation. For that, I would like to take this opportunity to place on record my hearty thanks to our principal, Sister Anita Joseph, for her commitment and effort that glitters behind this event. Thank you, sister. I also extend thanks to all students, especially class 10, 1920 batch, Kumari Tarashyam, Master Rupindu, and Kumari Devi Sri Lakshmi for their enormous cooperation in the organization of this gala event. Event like this cannot happen overnight without their wholehearted concern. Thank you, dears. It requires time and a bird's eye for detail. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues and parents for our school who know their job and are result oriented, especially Sister Juby, our Vice Principal, and Mr. Ajil Balachandran, our Academic Assistant, and of course, administrative staffs. I cannot thank everyone enough for their involvement and their willingness to take on the completion of tasks beyond their comfort zone. Thank you all. Once again, I thank you all for being with us in this event. It's been really a great pleasure. Thank you very much, yours, Peter.
Thank you, sir, for thanking one and all. We have reached the conclusion of our virtual event. Let us pay homage to our motherland. Therefore, I request all the viewers to kindly stand for the national anthem.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जगति तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे